Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum. So, in the previous lesson, we looked at the inna group, right? And we said they were a group of huruf, particles that impact a noun, that essentially would impact a noun by turning it into a state of nasb, right? And they were the following: inna, anna, ka'anna, layta, la'alla, lakinna, right? So an example would be innal kitaba, right? For sure, the book. It becomes kitaba because it's now in a state of nasb due to inna acting on it. So what happens if we want to actually bring layta before a verb? Because that can be done. If I want to say I wish and associate it to an action, you can actually do that. So far we've looked at all the others and layta being applied to nouns. Now we'll see what happens when you apply layta to a verb. So, to place layta before a verb, you have to attach a ma to the end. So, laytama, right? It will have this ma attached to the end. That is known as ma kafa, and it allows layta to act on a verb. The ma stops layta from needing a noun to make mansub. Remember we said that's one of the qualities of the inna group, that they require a noun to make nasb, right? They have to act on it. Without that noun, it's not going to really have any meaning. Just like the harfu jar, they require a noun to come after it for them to act on, right? And change their meaning. So in this case, let's take a look. Laytama najahtu, right? So we have our layta coming here, which is one of the sisters of inna. We attach ma kafa to it, so now it can work with a verb, and it simply becomes, oh, let me change that. Now it becomes I wish I succeeded, right? I wish I succeeded. Let's take a look at another example. Laytama dhahabna, right? This would be translated as I wish we left. And that ma kafa is being added there because without it, layta would not be able to act on a verb. Rather, it would be in a state where it can just solely act on a noun. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.